Hello guys, let's open up this package and discover what's inside. I have here two fans RGB from Aigo. Twelve centimeters, 48 cfm airflow, 1020 and 200 RPM. Low noise level 24 dBA. Let's open this one. Here are some screws. Design is good. It have RGB light on the side. Fan looks strange. For the cable, we have 6-pin connector. No controller inside. Let's check this one. Same. Okay, let's put it on our computer and see how it will turn on. Find the place for the fan. Two of them should fit. There is special hole for them. Just find it here. It will be a screw hole. Just look for the holes and put it. Make sure the cable is on the down. Put it and put it on the hole, back of the case cover. First one and second. Okay, screw them in their places. If you don't have this connector on your motherboard, you should also buy the Aigo controller with the fans.